Hello, I'm Tara, the author of the Dining at a Dime Cookbook, with my mom, who is also the author of the Dining at a Dime Cookbook. We are here today to talk about pans and how it affects your baking. Now, most people, if they're new to cooking, don't realize this, but glass pans, non-stick pans, and regular stainless steel or aluminum pans all bake differently in the oven. Mm-hmm. So, here we're going to give you the general rules real quick. If I prefer stainless steel and aluminum for my baking. Mm-hmm. If I can bake with those two things, I feel good about it. Now, glass though, glass and dark, you can tell the difference. The dark coating pans, the non-stick pans, all of those. You have to turn your oven down.
It's about 25 degrees, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
If it's like says like 350 degrees, I think don't you turn it down to
325. Yeah. So the darker pans and the glass pans heat up a lot hotter and will burn the bottoms of your foods if you don't turn your oven down 25 degrees.
My favorite cookie sheets, I think they're aluminum, I don't know. It's a brand. Different brands cook differently too. And you've got to, if you're having a lot of trouble with stuff burning and not working right, it could be the type of pan you're using. Yeah. But I like, it's Mirror, I think, M-I-R-R-O is the brand of it. I love those for my cookie sheets. I use them in my gingerbread men that I make, tons of every year.
Yeah.
Those are my favorite cookie sheets. But okay, I know you don't want this to be too long, but Grandma, for years, you know what your grandma used for a cookie sheet?
Yes, I do.
When you play in the band and you have the music holder, the thing that holds the music on, stand for the music, that flat part that held the music part, that's what my mom used for a cookie sheet. She still has it. She still used that for her cookie sheet.
They didn't paint them in the old days. They were just aluminum music stands without paint.
Yeah, and so that's what she used. So you can use, anything like that. And one last tip, and then I'll let you go. But if whatever pan you're using in the oven or on top of the stove, if it keeps burning and burning and burning, and you're trying to be so careful, you may have burnt something really, really bad in that pan, and you're just going to have to toss it.
And you've ruined your pan.
Yeah, if you keep burning over and over, it may not be you. The pan is just ruined, because once you burn it at a certain degree, there's no helping it.
And I will say, I have to buy new non-stick pans, ceramic pans, about every 6 months, because I've got 3 teenagers now that are learning to cook, and between them and me forgetting food, we ruin pans all the time. And so I just
at the kitchen table and I just watched the smoke billowing from somebody in the background cooking.
So I've just chalked it up. I'm going to spend $100 a year on pans until the kids are moved out. It's just one of the expensive
ones, and that way I don't feel bad about just tossing them.
Yeah, I mean, well, they're cheapy ones, but you know. So anyway, and also, guys, on one other thing about pans, real quick, while we're saying bye, on the glass top stoves, on the flat glass top, you have to have pans that are flat. You cannot have pans with ridges. If you have pans with ridges on the bottom, it will scratch up your stove. So make sure you buy pans that are flat if you have a glass top or ceramic top stove. So anyway, so that's our tip for pans, guys. Please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less, in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and share, and give us a great big thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.